one, entrepreneurship is for survival. So we have a lot of people who are taken to entrepreneurship because they have no other alternative. In fact, many rags to riches stories come from this particular type of entrepreneurship. People who are not able to find a job take to entrepreneurship because they have no other option. So you see the street vendors, you see people working in the rural areas, you see the kirana stores, many of them. These are all entrepreneurship that have been taken up by people, not by choice, but they had no other alternative but to get into entrepreneurship. What we call it the survival entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship because there is no other alternative. I need to do it. In many cases, it's also because the entrepreneur doesn't have any other skill. Either the person is not educated or doesn't have the required skill to do something meaningful. So in the lack of any resources, in the lack of any skill, nobody is going to hire that person. So the person has two choices here. Either work as a marginal laborer or informal labor in a domestic sector, become a house help, or become self-employed by picking up something which gives enough for that person to at least survive. A large number of enterprises in this country belong to this category, that people have taken to entrepreneurship because they didn't have any choice. The second level of entrepreneurship is when you see an opportunity, which means the context which you have creates opportunities for people to create enterprises and do something other than doing a job. You find suddenly that some sector has picked up pretty fast. So take the example of food delivery sector. Not that the industry is new, not that customers were not getting food at home. Restaurants were delivering food at home. However, in the past few years, the extent of eating at home has gone up like anything. Number of households which are now actually giving orders has increased a lot. And these do not include only the people who have double income families, both of them working. These also include older people. This also includes children who are now ordering pizza for their birthdays or even regularly. It also has got impetus because now people want variety in their food. It's not that they don't want to cook at home, but just once in a while they would like to have variety. And a variety which means saying that either the food is difficult to cook at home, or they want a special dish. In either case, what happens is I start ordering from outside. We were ordering that, not that we were not ordering from home earlier, but suddenly the phenomena of ordering home has gone up, ordering from home has gone up, and the facility of getting it delivered quickly and in good condition has actually made this industry successful. Restaurants are also happy about it because now they don't have to worry about deliveries. They can focus on their own core businesses. So suddenly the opportunity is created. One industry which was there, people were entering informally. They were doing at the local level. There were some people who were doing it. So this opportunity was created by the environment. The third set of category of entrepreneurs is when they actually create an opportunity for themselves, which means they actually go beyond the obvious. They find out something which is very new, something which has not been done earlier, and then come and create an enterprise based on more of a latent need than the felt need. A lot of service businesses online can be seen to be this example. So for example, look at traveling, bookings, hotels. These were all opportunities which were created because a new medium now was made available, which was not earlier present or accessible to us. So internet as a medium created a huge opportunity for new age businesses. Look at people who are getting into AI, look at people who are getting into face recognition technologies, look at people who are developing recruitment tools based on AI and psychometrics. Now these are something which are not being thrown by the environment or the context. These are the enterprises which are being created because the entrepreneur or the person behind it thinks that this is something that will add value to these customers, and therefore I should create that kind of product or service.